Do you want to make your life easier with library management software? Like most businesses, it's not easy managing a library. Shushing aside, there are many unique challenges, and librarians are always looking for ways to have more efficient processes. Library management software makes it easy to manage library databases and records, and automate activities like cataloging, lending, fundraising, managing book donations, and more. If you're ready to make life easier for you and your patrons, it's time to turn to library management software. I'm Sissy with JotForm, and in today's video, we'll look into 5 of the top library management software tools to try. Let's check it out. Like I previously mentioned, today we'll be discussing 5 of the top library management software tools. While you're considering which is the best fit for you, keep these 3 important factors in mind. First up, suitability. Your specific needs will determine the best software for you. For example, the needs of a large public library are quite different from those of a private corporate library. Even a tool that works wonders for most users may not provide the specific features you need to run your library. Similarly, a tool may be overloaded with features that are unnecessary for your needs. Next, think about ease of use. You don't want to spend weeks or months trying to understand how your management software works. The right tool will be mostly intuitive and offer easy-to-follow guides or online support. Last, think about flexibility. Every library is different, so choose a tool that will support the smooth and efficient running order of your library. Make sure you can customize its features to meet your specific needs. When doing your research, it's best to start with a list of the most crucial features you need from your ideal software and then narrow your search from there. Now that you've done some research and you know what your library's specific needs are, let's take a look at the top 5 library management software tools. Rated 4.7 stars out of 5 on Capterra, Alexandria is an award-winning library management software solution that adapts to meet the needs of K-12 schools, universities, public and private libraries. A great feature of Alexandria is that it's completely cloud-based and follows machine-readable cataloging best practices. Libraries around the world have used Alexandria for more than 30 years. That alone speaks volumes. These are some of Alexandria's other key features. It updates bibliography records and databases quickly, manages lending, check-ins and check-outs, keeps track of staff and users, finds any material or resource quickly and easily, produces custom reports when you need them, and offers 24/7 access to live technical support. Another option is Koha. This library management software is a feature-rich, open-source system that's been around since 1999. The software is robust enough to power large public libraries and simple enough for small private ones. Really, it's ideal for all kinds of libraries. Koha is great when it comes to managing multi-branch libraries. It offers online circulation functionality for those times when there's no internet access. The Koha Acquisitions module also keeps track of purchases, suppliers, and budgets. If you're looking for something web-based, look no further than Mandarin. Like other tools on this list, Mandarin's system also supports cataloging, inventory management, circulation, and reporting. You can customize the software to suit your needs by making use of Mandarin's optional modules and services. Unicode support in Mandarin allows cataloging and searching in any language. Subscriptions start at $750 for the year, and new systems may incur an additional set of costs that averages $250. If simple and user-friendly sound appealing to you, then JotForm might be your system solution. It offers useful library templates that make it easy to keep track of inventory. You can also track lending with JotForm's library checkout sheet, book inventory with the book inventory template, and manage staff data. JotForm also makes it easy to keep track of fundraising activities, book purchases, and donations. Any spreadsheet can meet your needs with our drag-and-drop functionality. The last library management software on our list is Circe Dynex Symphony. This powerful system is great for all types of libraries: public, academic, K-12, special collections, and consortia. It gives you hosting options so you can decide whether you want a self-hosted, cloud-hosted, or locally deployed system. Symphony offers API access, meaning you can connect it to other web services you use. This makes the software truly flexible and customizable. Symphony's core modules include acquisitions, offline access, reserves, serial control, requests, and outreach. With library management software on your side, life will become much easier for you and your patrons. With the right tool, you can better manage your database and inventory, keep track of lending, and stay organized. After all, an efficient library is a user's delight, making it easy for people to access and use the valuable resources that your library offers. Let's do a quick review. If you're ready to dive into the world of library management software, do a little research to figure out what your specific library's needs are. Then take a look at these 5 systems and pick the best for you. There's Alexandria, Koha, Mandarin, Jotform, and Circe Dynex Symphony. Thanks for watching Jotform. I'm Sissy, and I'll catch you next time.